Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing all my fireworks for 2015. What I have so far, I'll start off with the smaller things. I got some 2 packs of ground blooming flowers. 2 packs of those. I got 2 of those. Let's see, I got a poopy puppy. I also got some jumping jacks. 3 of those. 3. Those are a lot of fun. I got one of these white smoke 5 minutes. So that's that. That's that one. I got some Roman candles. This Roman candle, 10 balls, and looks like this. It's a Roman candle with tail. And then I have a crackling candle. And it's 10 volt. I have a flashing thunder. And yeah, you guys. I also got a blue thunder 10 ball. They're all 10 ball. And then I just got a colored thunder, and those are all Roman candles. Let's see what else I have. I got some black caps. 2 packs of those. And then right down here, right here I got a tank, and that's really cool. I like tanks. This is by World Class Fireworks, and it's Frog Prince and Princess. They look like that. They are just fountains. So yeah. Down here I got I got 4 boxes of snaps. Just 4 boxes of those. And down here I just got a 0.3 cone, which is just a, I guess, red fountain. So yeah, that's some of it. See, down here I got some Saturn missiles. Saturn missiles. It says Saturn missiles battery 25 shot. So I got some of those. One of those. Down here I got one snafu, which is like a small cake. And I got some sparklers. I got 42 or 48, I forget. But I got lots of sparklers. And that's some of it. I got the green energy. Which is really cool. It's just a smaller cake. It's bigger than the snafu. Compared to the snafu, it's a lot bigger. It's like in size. Yeah, so that it's yeah, it is a really cool firework. And then down here, I got some artillery shells. So let's move these closer so you can see these too. So yeah, those are those. These are the fireworks you get when you get them. Yeah, those are what they'll do. There's 6 artillery shells in this box. I bought 2 boxes, and this is what they look like inside. So, yeah, I got 2 boxes of those, and that's about all I got. So, please leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.